Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications. Now on this phone it is divided into left and right. Here you get actual notifications on the left side, and on the right side you would have your toggles. That's what we need, the toggles. So from here, if you don't see hotspot toggle on the first page, just swipe to the side and hopefully you can find it somewhere on the second page. And for me it's right over here. Hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you see the toggle, first time around you want to hold it. This will quickly take us to the settings where we can then change things like password. Now the reason why I point out password is because if you tap on this eye icon, you can see that the password that is randomly generated for this phone is absolutely abhorrent, and this will be most likely the case for you as well. Now what I recommend doing is just removing this one and setting up your own password. Now it needs to have at least 8 characters and length. That can be letters, numbers, it does not really matter. There we go. And from there you can save it. Now that's the only thing that I would recommend changing. If you want, you can obviously mess around with settings a little bit further if you know what they do. If you're not sure what some of those settings do, then leave them as they are. By default, they're set to work with basically any device. There might not be the fastest settings, for instance, but they will ensure that you can always utilize your hotspot. Anyway, let's click on the checkbox right there, and the settings, or at least the password that I changed, has been saved. So now we can now find the toggle once more, simply tap on it, and then using the password that you have set up for yourself, you can log into your hotspot and utilize your mobile network on a different device. Now one more thing that I'll mention is once you're done using your hotspot, I would recommend trying to remember to turn it off by just tapping on it. Otherwise the hotspot will be running indefinitely in the background, and while doing so it does consume more battery on your phone. So if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.